All right, guys, we got an empty trailer. Let's go fill it up with some new projects. What's up, guys? We're back next day here after our little trip and adventure. We picked up a couple builds to see what we can do. So let's take a look at them and see what we got. Oh my gosh, it's a Polaris. All right, this is a 2015 Polaris Sportsman 570. Power steering, 4-wheel drive. Take a quick look around here. That's another one over there at the canopy, but you're going to have to stay tuned to see that one. A little dirty. That's what she's made for, to get dirty, huh? Overall, not a bad looking machine. Got some busted plastics. As you can see, back out here a little bit. It's bent. We'll have to get that straightened. Look that up underneath here. Not too bad. She definitely needs a cleaning. We'll take care of that. We'll get out the old degreaser and power washer and get her all nice and shiny again. Really good tires. Got depth left on her. Oh, missing some side cowlings here. See, the battery's on charge down in there. Battery's dead. Put it on charge, let it charge overnight. Maybe it'll come back, maybe it won't. We'll see. The front end looks pretty good. Plastic up here is broken. Clips. But looks like somebody had a small Going a little too fast, couldn't stop, but you see all this is pushed in, busted, probably nailed a tree. Back out here a little bit, you can see. Yeah, it's kind of not straight. That's when you go, oops. Alright, so we've had the battery charging. Let's hop on, see if she'll crank. Because that would be awesome, because I really don't want to push this off the trailer. Alright, as you know, on the Polarises, you got to have a brake depressed before starting. Locking tab right here, just pull it back, lock it in. Engine on run. Turn the key. We got noises. We got lights. We're in park. We got power steering problems. Oh boy. Alright, let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3. 300 RPM. Come on, go baby, go, go, go. And that would be a no. Well, I guess we're pushing. Got the 8 all-wheel drive 2x4 switch. That's nice. As a Hondas, you know, you got the shift lever over here. Always been a fan of Hondas. Never owned a Polaris. So we'll see. So let's get to work, get it off the trailer, drop the ramp, and start diving into this bad boy, see what we got. All right, let's get the cover off and see what we got.
Are you ready for this?
Very slow. Oh my goodness, what happened? It lost all its skin. And that was very slow processing.
All right, guys. Here's the second one that was under the cover. As you can see, it's missing just a few little things. This is a Honda Foreman 500 2012 model. It's a TRX 500 FPM. That means it has power steering. Ooh, fancy.
Papa interrupted my videos.
So let's get her off the trailer, hook some power to it, and see what happens. Stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Yay. Hercules, Hercules.
Hercules! And then we push.
And then we push.
Yeet! 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 Yeet!
Aww.
What you doing with that thing?
We're gonna put some juice on it.
Oh. I know what this happens. It's gonna electrocute it, guys. It's gonna electrocute it. I gotta run.
Alright, we got power.
Yay!
We got no gas.
Yay!
Do you want to do the honors and push the button?
No, thank you.
Come on, push the button.
What's gonna electrocute in the back and I don't wanna die?
Push the button.
Run!
That was a little dramatic. Alright, let's try that again.
Take two without me getting yours.
Take two.
Oh gosh!
And that's a Honda for you. Alright guys, like, share, subscribe, stay tuned. We're going to make these like new again. See ya!
And we're gonna eat them together!